The courage of my patients, what they demonstrate to me every day is totally inspiring. The positive attitude, all of these every day are an inspiration to me and my entire team. And that keeps me coming back day after day to work and take care of these people. What initially drew me to oncology is the complexity of the patients. I very much enjoy patients that have several medical issues at once and working with them through those. The field of oncology is always changing very quickly, and that provides intense and enriching stimulation for me and keeps me engaged and wanting to stay on top of the science. Cancer is a team sport. Patients that are faced with that illness are in a high need situation, and it forges an intense relationship between the providers, the physicians, the advanced practice providers, the nurses, the entire team. It forges a very strong bond with the patient. I wish they knew that it's a treatable, curable problem, and in situations where it's not treatable or curable, it can be managed for a long time as a chronic illness with a high quality of life and minimal treatment-related events. There's always choices. Now, some of these choices are not the ideal choices that we'd all want to have, but we have choices and we can make decisions. So they're not powerless, and we can create a suite of options for them to give them as much empowerment and autonomy to make some good choices for themselves. And there's always choices. Our model is really the patient is the center, and the rest of us are all orbiting in various proximities to that patient with different roles on that team. And that team approach has been very rewarding for all of us that are on the teams, and most importantly for the patients themselves, because they really do feel like they're the center of the care, which is exactly where they should be. It's incredibly exciting going to work. It's inspiring. The courage of my patients is a daily renewing resource for me. I do feel like we can help virtually every single patient that walks into our clinic, and that's intensely rewarding.